Hey guys, Jeff Cook here, and today I'm going to share the most common mistakes and nightmares that we see while conducting your move. So moving can be one of the most stressful things that you do, and I just want to share with you a couple of do's and don'ts when it comes down for you and your family to make your move. First and most important, who's going to help you do this move? Who's going to help you complete the move? Are you going to call in the favors from the family and friends? Are you going to hire professional movers? We do have a wonderful group of professional movers, movebuddies.com. They can be reached at 843-972-9039 if you want to reach them direct, or movebuddies.com. They came and did my house and did a tremendous job. So let's talk about the second thing. How about preparation? Preparing for the big day. Alrighty. First, you want to have your mover set up, but secondly, how many boxes do you need? Oftentimes, moving companies will come to your house and estimate how much stuff you have, and also will be able to bring boxes ahead of time for you to go ahead and start packing. Sometimes they will even help you pack your stuff in boxes depending on what level of service that you engage with them. But if you're doing your own packing, make sure you have plenty of boxes. Also, when it comes down to preparation, you have to keep in mind what you may have in a guest bedroom today may not go in a guest bedroom over here, or a kid's bedroom set may become the guest bedroom set. Different places may have different things depending on the floor plan. So keep in mind, the people helping you move, if it came out of the kitchen over here, it may go back into the kitchen over here. Or if it came out of the bedroom here, it may go back into a bedroom over here at the new house. So the best thing you can do is to label everything ahead of time, not on what it is or where it's at, but where it's going in the new house. Which bedroom do you want it in? So that way, whenever you have all these people bringing all this stuff into your house, they don't have to come to you and say, hey, where do you want this? Oh, let's open that box up and see what's inside of it. They read right on the box, this goes into bedroom number 2, boom, down the hall they go, second door on the right, bedroom number 2. Makes it very easy. So organizing the move the day of is also something that's important. Consider, where is the moving truck going to go? Do you have parking spaces where you live, or is there a driveway? Is it going to be cleared? What needs to happen to be able to get that moving truck as close to the front door as possible? And then also keep in mind, whenever the move starts, it goes fast. Loading the truck takes a lot longer than unloading the truck. So we want to make sure that you have plenty of drinks on hand, snacks on hand, so that when your moving crew comes over, they can just go focus on doing it. If you need help, have any questions about selling a home or buying a home, we are your preferred real estate company and would love to help you out with that. You can reach us at jeffcookrealestate.com or call us direct at 843-225-2002. Just outside of this box, we have a Get Your Home Value link, which could tell you exactly what your home could sell for in real time. Also, if you're searching for homes, we have available properties for sale just outside this box, and that link as well. Just click on Search for Homes or simply reply to this email. I'm Jeff Cook with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Thank you so much for tuning in on the do's and don'ts of moving.